Before we can begin, we have to have a historical foundation established. That history begins in 1870 with the building of the Butler Branch Railroad. This line ran from Freeport, PA, officially named Butler Junction, which was on the Allegheny River. The line ran up the valley following Buffalo Creek to Butler, Pennsylvania, which was a distance of 21 miles. The line's purpose was to tap into the massive limestone deposits of the local area for the growing steel industry at Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Beside limestone and limestone products, the line hauled iron ores, farm produce, sand, brick, clay, oil from local wells to markets. In 1890, the Winfield Branch Railroad was built. This line ran from Winfield Junction, which was on the Butler Branch Railroad. The line ran from the Butler Branch Railroad, Winfield Junction, to West Winfield, a total distance of 8.36 miles. The line followed Little Buffalo Creek and Rough Run, and it too hauled iron, iron ore, limestone products, oil, coal, and various other materials. I am standing inside the former Winfield Railroad turntable. A partial turntable wall can be seen. In 1900, the owner of the Winfield Sand Company extended the branch line 8/10 of a mile past his processing plant, north of Rough Run and toward Denny's Mill. This extension was filed with the state of Pennsylvania and the Interstate Commerce Commission. This extension was named the Winfield Railroad, which is not a branch line. Have crossed the bridge and am looking back toward the round table and the old iron furnace. Unidentified concrete structures are on the opposite side of Rough Run, as seen here. Walking a further distance down Rough Run, with limestone quarries in abundance, a processing plant was built near the old iron furnace. A steel trestle bridge was constructed from the plant across Rough Run and onto the mineral-rich hillside. The trestle stone piers, though in ruins, have survived and are seen here. The Winfield Branch Rail Station would have been constructed right in this area. The railroad would have crossed the road here, heading directly into the wooded area. A steel hopper-type structure was built trackside, purpose unknown. Here we see iron rail and tie spikes looking as though they're standing in midair. However, the spikes are still embedded in what remains of the decayed ties. Due to their numbers, this would have been a line switch for a side track in the main line. The Winfield Branch Railroad would have continued down through West Winfield, this house may be the last standing house in West Winfield. A mile or two from West Winfield, Rough Run empties into Little Buffalo Creek, seen here. The Winfield Branch Railroad bed continues on down following Little Buffalo Creek. On Scenic View Drive, a Winfield Branch Railroad bridge can be seen crossing a small feeder stream. With Winfield Junction behind me, I'm walking up the Winfield branch bed. The Buffalo Branch Railroad Bridge crossing Buffalo Creek, entering Winfield Junction. And you'll also see the Winfield branch line entering Winfield Junction.